This indicator delivered insane results in testing. Come along with our trading tribe as we bravely, confidently, and unrelentingly pursue success in the markets. Fire up your TradingView and head over to the Indicators tab. We are on the lookout for two key indicators, Team Underground and EMA. Here are the settings. Magic RSI bands. You'll see two bands, green and red. By standard settings, the green band shows when price goes below 30 RSI for oversold, and the red line when price goes above 70 RSI for overbought. Exponential moving average, measuring trend direction over a period of time. Now, let's dive into our winning strategy. Wait for price dip below the 20 RSI band, and to enter the trade, we wait for the price to close above the 50 EMA. Set your stop loss at the recent low, and aim for a rewarding 1.5 risk to reward ratio. The same rules apply for a sell entry. Here is the backtesting results. This was used on Nasdaq 1-hour chart. Success is just a click away. Keep those wins coming by watching the next video for more profits. Hit subscribe now.